stay alive and steal time from others. This seems like a pretty fun game. Alright, so I lied when I wanted to tell you guys that this is my first time playing this, because I've actually played this a little bit before. As you can see, I have the green aluminum sword, which I'm pretty sure is good. We have a sword spawner. Let me spawn a sword. Oh, it's robux. I'm so surprised. People make things robux these days. Ooh, rain time? How much is that? Bro, I don't got that kind of money. Okay, I mean, I do, but like, I'm not gonna spend that much on this stupid game. I'm probably never gonna play again. I might buy the sword thing though. Kind of looks intimidating. Green aluminum sword. Probably, I think this is like one of the best ones in the game. I'm not sure. Hey, yo, I want your time. I want your time, bro. I'm kind of. Where does this take you? Where does this take? Oh. Wait, what? What is this guy's sword? There's like a blue. I'm getting like triple teamed? Excuse me? Wait, who's this guy? Oh. How do I get that? Loser get right. Very funny. How do I get that sword? What is it? Is it in kills? Space sword? Oh gosh, how many kills do I have? Oh, wait, what? I actually have 46 kills. So I just need to get 4 more kills and then do it. You know what can get me those kills? Maybe that sword. That's pretty cool. That's a good idea. Shows like a sprint button, like shift to sprint, or like control to sprint. Control gets you out of shift lock. Never mind. I'm stupid. Teleport is spawned along with the sword. Where is the sword spawn? Where is the sword spawn? Where is it? 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 Oh, did someone already get it? Wait, if I have to spawn it for someone else, oh gosh. That better not be a thing. So I need to just get a few more kills. Yes! Okay, that's 1 kill right there. Nice. This game is super laggy. Oh, nice, another kill. This guy's a lot of time. Nice, another kill. Shoot. That sword. That sword is. Watch this. Get him. No! Dang it. I lost all my time. But honestly, I'm just trying to get that sword for the last kill. Or whatever. I have a feeling if I buy that, I'm gonna get scammed. Roblox alt. Well, yeah, time to prove Roblox wrong. It's totally Roblox's real alt. Gonna focus on killing him, and then I'm gonna kill this guy. Nice. You see what I'm saying? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right here. Wooden sword. Unlock. It's unlocked. Go to my inventory. Wooden sword. Hello. Limited game. Is there no game pack? Do I have to rejoin? Okay, here, I'm gonna rejoin. Like, the thing is, I'm on a limited amount of Robux right now. Like, I can't afford to waste $1. Like, $1 is actually a lot of money if you think about it. It'll get you a lot of things. Weapon Fighting Simulator, I've played that game before. We might even play it on the channel. Random games, so I guess that's cool. Alright, please tell me my wooden sword works. I mean, it's not like I had to pay Robux to get to it or anything. But, oh, you keep your time when you leave. Oh, that's actually sick. I think I've actually done that before, but, time and kills. Wooden sword. Oh, that's interesting. Can I not equip the wooden sword? Wooden sword. That's interesting. What the heck? He just dropped his sword. I don't get life anymore. Wait, what? How do you... Wait, settings. Is it in settings? Enable hitboxes. I'm fine. Time color. I don't care. Who cares about that? Kill effects on. Night. Oh, that's sick. I like night. I like night. Well, I guess the wooden sword doesn't work. Yeah, that's mine. Very sorry, but that's mine. Very sorry about that one. Hey, they're trying to kill me. They're trying I'm in a little bit of a situation here. So what do I do if I rain time? Like, do I want to do that? I don't know if I want to do that. Like, it doesn't seem like the best idea. Yo, I think one of those new swords costs like was a 4,000. Bro, get away from me. Teleport to spawn. Say less. Teleport to spawn. Life is great. Life is just great. Like, alright, this better be worth it. I'm buying it. This better be worth it. That's all I'm saying. Swear to God. But where did it spawn? Where did it spawn? Where did it spawn? How did I know that wasn't going to be worth it? What the heck? Where is it? Is it over here? Where's the sword? What? Who has the sword? Who has it? Does someone have the sword? I just wasted some Robux that I could be spending on killer shark merch. It's kind of sad, to be honest. It's a very good merch. What the heck? So you're just saying I just spent. Now, how much would it be if I spent that again? Well, let's see right here. Was no exactly 8,000 Robux. Does this game support private servers? Come on, they do this. Just stupid. Gotta find a way to not have these guys do like kill me. If I can get these 3 people in their base, then that's amazing. Because that means I can maybe get the sword. I didn't even see the sword spawn. Does it like spawn? Like, hold on. Let me search this up on YouTube. Is this game even on YouTube? Yeah, it is. Sword spawner. How to get the new supernova sword? Oh god, no, not one of those guys. Oh, that's what the time spawner does. Yeah, that's not worth it. Let me look at this video quickly. Alright, so... Oh gosh, there's actually so much time. Wait, I'm gonna trick these guys. Everyone go back to base. I'm stupid. At the same time, it's gonna be cool. And no one's out. They call me LeBron James. Alright, where's the sword? 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 Where's the freaking sword? Where is the sword? Where is the sword? Where's the sword? I don't know where the sword is. Where is it? Where? What? Inventory? Where the heck is the gamepad? It should be in there. Where is the sword? Who has the sword? Where is it? Who has the sword? This. What the freak is this? Alright, let me go over to this teleporter. That must mean something, right? I'm gonna. What? I'm gonna freaking report this game. I'm gonna freaking report this game. I'm gonna literally report this game. Whee! Whoa. Is that the sword? Please tell me I didn't get scammed. Please. Oh. Oh! Wow. That's a... that's a lot of, that's a lot of time. Wow. That's a lot of time. A lot. More than I was expecting. Got 3,400 something time. Wow. It's kind of a lot of time to, you know. Oh, it shows your display name right there. That's very funny. Another time thing, please. Where is the sword? Where is the sword? Where is the sword? Yeah, oh, that brings you back to the, okay, I'm gonna go grab this. Teleport to spawn. Teleport me to spawn. You know what? How about this? I'll leave the game and I'll rejoin. And then I'll be back at spawn. Knowing that I wasted... Yeah, I'm not this game. Don't buy that. I want to see how this guy got it again. Wait, let me quickly see. How the heck did this guy get it? Was it up there the whole time? It was up there the whole time. Shop. Time. Kill. Time, what is it? Hex sword. What's the one for 5,000? Buy. Bought. Inventory. Orange aluminum sword. Yeah. I'm so freaking mad right now. You're not gonna mess with me on the orange aluminum sword. A teleport spawn along with the sword? Where? Give, no. I need that. That's mine. That's my sword. Hey. Teleport me! This game is broken. How do I do that though? Oh, it's over there now. Sorry. Big sneeze there. Please, teleporter. What? What the freak? The freakity frockity? Where's my sword? That's funny. That's so funny how I spent that robux and got nothing. Don't even... Guess I'll have to just wait for another teleporter, but until then, I guess I got scammed. Don't play this game. By the way, I ended up getting it. Let's go.